In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 useful Toyota RAV4 switches or buttons that you should know about. They are the parking brake switch, brake hold switch, and stop and start cancel switch. I will explain what they do and how to use them. First, let's talk about the parking brake switch. It functions similarly to the traditional emergency brake or handbrake. You definitely want to use it when you are parked on a hill. Here's how it works. Your car needs to be in the park gear. Pull the switch up like this to activate it, and you will see a small light turn on and the word park appear on the dashboard. There are 2 ways to deactivate it. The first way is to press the switch down like this. The second way is to change your gear to drive and it will automatically turn off. See? The park light disappears when it is deactivated. In most cases, your Toyota RAV4 should automatically engage the parking brake for you when you park on a hill. Now, let's talk about the brake hold switch button. When activated, this feature holds the brake for you so that you can let go of the brake pedal. To activate the function, press the button and you will see the hold icon with a circle on top appear. This indicates that the car is in standby mode to hold the brake when you press the brake pedal all the way down. When the car is actively holding the brake for you, a red-orange hold light will turn on. At this point, you can slowly let go of the brake pedal and the car will remain stationary. The rear brake lights will stay illuminated as if you were holding down the brake pedal manually. To move the car again, gently press the gas pedal. To turn off this function, press the brake hold switch again and the hold icon will disappear. This function is particularly useful when you need to keep the brake engaged for an extended period, such as in a traffic jam. Lastly, let's look at the stop-start cancel switch. My Toyota RAV4 2023 automatically turns off the car's engine when the vehicle is stationary, such as at a red light. The engine restarts when you press down on the gas pedal. This feature is designed to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. However, some people don't like the engine turning on and off like that. To prevent this, use the stop and start cancel switch. Press this button to stop the car from turning off the engine while stationary. After you press the button, an icon with an A with the word off will illuminate on the dashboard. To re-enable the feature, simply press the button again and the icon will disappear. I hope you found my video useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical how-to videos and product previews in the future. Have a great day, and see you next time.